Welcome to Organic Chemistry. Today we will talk about how to name alkynes. Alkynes are unsaturated organic compounds in which there is at least one triple bond in between carbon atoms. There are some rules for naming alkynes. We will explain each rule through examples. First rule is select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom having maximum triple bonds. Longest continuous chain is that chain having greater number of carbon atoms. If two chains having same number of carbon atoms, then we have to select that chain having greater number of triple bonds. In this example, you see the black colored chain has 6 carbon atoms, but it has only one triple bond, and the green colored chain is the branch. And this other chain, you see that also it contains 6 carbon atoms, but it have two triple bonds. So we have to select it because it is longest continuous chain. It has greater number of carbon atoms. Also, it has greater number of triple bonds. And this green colored is the branch or ethyl group. We have to name the selected chain. For this, basic name to the selected chain is given by common system in such a way in which the A alkane is replaced by Y. A alkane is replaced by Y, the name will become alkyne. As in common system, 3 carbon chain is called propane. Replacing A of propane by Y, the name will become propyne. 4 carbon chain is called butane. Replacing A of butane by Y, the name will become butane. 6 carbon chain is called hexane. Replacing A by Y, the name will become hexane. In this example, you see the selected chain contains 6 carbon atoms. 6 carbon chain is called hexane. Replacing A by Y, the basic name of this chain will become hexane. Third rule is if there are more than one triple bond in the selected chain, put prefix di per 2, tri per 3, tetra per 4 triple bonds before Y and E of alkyne. In this example, you see there are two triple bonds in the selected chain. So adding di to Y and E, the name will become hexadiene. Now we have to show the position of triple bonds, to which carbon the triple bonds are attached. For this, give numbers to the carbon atoms in the selected chain, starting from that end where triple bond is nearer. As you see in this example, the triple bond from left side is a 2 carbon distance and from right side it is attached to the first carbon. So as from right side the triple bond is nearer, so we have to start numbering from right side. To show the position of triple bond, write the number of that carbon before alkyne, in this example hexane. As triple bond is attached to first carbon and fourth carbon, so writing 1 and 4 before hexadiene. Comma is placed between 1 4 because these are loop, and hyphen is placed between 4 and hexadiene because one is weekend and the second is name. Now we have to add the name of the branch which is ethyl group and also show its position. As ethyl group is attached to third carbon, so writing 3-ethyl before the basic name, the name will become 3-ethyl 1,4-hexadiene. For more example and other nomenclatures, click link in description. Thanks for watching and goodbye.